Very good morning to all. I hope you are doing great. I'm also good. Very warm welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dr. Reena and I'm so happy to have you here. In today's video, we are going to talk about this topic human resource management, its concept, perspectives, influences, and recent trends. So let's understand these topics thoroughly one by one. Let's start with the HRM. HRM, that means human resource management. Human resource management refer to the strategic and coherent management of an organizational workforce to achieve organizational goal. It includes a range of functions from recruitment to performance management. It also includes training as well as employee well-being. So let's understand the definition of HRM. This definition is given by Edwin V. Filippo. HRM is the planning, organizing, directing, and controlling of the procurement, development, compensation, integration, maintenance, and separation of human resources to achieve individuals, organizational, and societal objectives. Next topic we have key objective of HRM. First we have it ensures the right people are in the right roles. Apart from that, foster employee development and engagement. Moreover, align human resources with organizational strategies as well as promote a positive work environment. So, what are the core functions of HRM? First function we have recruitment and selection. Second function we have training and development. Third function we have performance management. Fourth function we have compensation and benefits. Apart from that, we have employee relations and compliance. So let's understand these topics one by one thoroughly. First, we have recruitment and selection, which means attracting and hiring qualified talent. And next function, we have training and development, which means enhancing employee skills and competencies. Apart from that, we have performance management, which means monitoring and improving employee performance. Next, we have compensation and benefits, which help in structuring fair and motivating pay systems. Moreover, we have employee relations, which help in maintaining harmonious workplace relationship. And last function we have compliance, which ensuring adherence to labor laws and regulations. Next topic we have perspectives of HRM. HRM can be viewed from multiple perspectives that shape its practices. First one we have managerial perspective, behavioral perspective. Third we have strategic perspective. Fourth we have ethical and social perspective. And last we have global perspective. So let's understand these one by one. So first we have managerial perspective, which means to focus on aligning HR strategies with organizational goals. It also emphasizes cost effectiveness, efficiency, and employee productivity. Next, we have behavioral perspective, which means viewing employees as individuals with needs, motivations, and emotions. It also focused on fostering engagement, morale, and satisfaction. Next, we have strategic perspective, which helps in aligning HR practices with long term organizational strategies, as well as it involves workforce planning, succession planning, and change management. Next function we have ethical and social perspective, which focus on creating fair, inclusive, and socially responsible workplaces. It also addresses the issues like diversity, equity, corporate social responsibility, and employee well-being. Last function we have global perspective, which helps to account for the challenges of managing a culturally and geographically diverse workforce. It includes practices like expatriate management and global talent acquisition. Next topic we have influences on human resource management. There are several internal and external factors influence HRM practices. First one we have internal influences, which include organizational culture, leadership styles, technology, workforce demographics. And in case of external influences, which include economic factors, legal and regulatory environment, technological advancement, globalization, social and cultural trends. So first of all, let's understand the internal influences one by one. Organizational culture, which includes the values, beliefs, and practices within an organization, shape HR policies. Next, we have leadership style. It also influences the internal organization. Autocratic, democratic, or transformational leadership affect the HR decisions. Next, we have technology. The adoption of HR technology tools for recruitment, performance management, and training. Apart from that, we have workforce demographics, which include the age, gender, skills, level, and diversity within the workforce. Next, we have external influences, which include the economic factors. And in economic factors, economic conditions impact recruitment, compensation, and workforce planning. Apart from that, we have legal and regulatory environment, which complies with labor laws, safety standard, and employment rights. Next, we have technological advancement, which means the rise of automation, artificial intelligence, and HR analytics. And next, we have globalization, the integration of international labor markets and managing cross border teams. Apart from that, we have social and cultural trends, which helps in changing employee expectations, work life balance, and diversity considerations. Next topic we have recent trends in HRM. Human resource management is evolving to meet the demand of dynamic and competitive business environment. So recent trends, which include the technological innovations, HR analytics, artificial intelligence, employee self-service performances, and focus on employee expert experience. In case of HRN analytics, using the data driven insight for decision making in recruitment, retention, and performance. And in case of artificial intelligence, automating repetitive HR tasks like resuming screening and employee queries. Next, we have employee self service platform, which include the digital tools for accessing payroll, benefits, and training resources. Focus on the employee experience, which helps in designing personalized and engaging workplace experiences, and also providing flexible work arrangement like remote and hybrid models. Diversity, equity, and inclusion, which helps in fostering inclusion workplaces that value differences in gender, ethnicity, age, and ability. It also implementing the unconscious bias training and inclusive hiring practices, which emphasizes on wellness and mental health, which offering wellness programs, mental health support, and stress management workshops, promoting work-life balance through flexible hours and leave policies. Apart from that, we have reskilling and upskilling, which means the continuous learning initiative to keep employees relevant in rapidly changing job market, and also focus on digital and soft skills training. Next we have sustainability and CSR, aligning HR strategies with sustainability goals, and also promoting green HRM practices like paperless processes and environmental awareness programs. Next, we have Agile HR, adopting flexible and adaptive HR processes to respond quickly to organizational needs, using Agile frameworks for team collaboration and innovation. So, come to the conclusion, in human resource management has evolved from administrative personal function to a strategic role in organizations. By aligning HR practices with organizational objectives, embracing technology, and adapting to global and social changes, HRM ensures that organizations remain competitive and employees thrive in a dynamic environment. Also, understanding the concept of HRM perspective, influences, and trends in HRM is essential for building robust HR strategies that meet present and future challenges. That is all about for the today's video. Thank you so much. If you like this video, then do like and subscribe my channel. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.